Here's a very conspicuous moss growing at the top of a brick wall in the bottom of my garden. And if you look at most brick walls and most gardens, you'll probably see this. It's called Bryum capillare, and it's one of the commonest mosses that you're likely to see, and you will see it because it's extremely conspicuous. If you look at those bright green capsules, you can be fairly sure that it's indeed Bryum capillare, and it's growing here with other mosses that it often associates with, like Tortula muralis and the very hairy Grimmia pulvinata. So it's something you're almost certain to see. The capsules are common at this time of year, so when you're walking down the path past a brick wall or a stone wall, you'll almost certainly see this. It stands out because of the red seta and the nodding green capsules, and the tufts or pads are quite short in terms of the vegetative growth. The growth is much more obvious in the sporophytes than the gametophytes, which are the green vegetative parts of the plant. So it's very common, but does it have lookalikes? Well, one way of being sure that it's Bryum capillare is to look at where the seta joins onto the gametophyte, as I'm showing you here. And in Bryum capillare, the seta does not grow from the growing point of the gametophyte. Here's Bryum capillare here in the Observer's Book of Mosses, and you can see the seta there growing from the base of the shoots. There are other plants that look like this, and this one here that I'm showing to you also from the Observer's Book of Mosses is Bryum cespiticium, but as you can see there, the seta grows from the growing point of the gametophyte, whereas in Bryum capillare it doesn't. This is Polia nutans, another lookalike for Bryum capillare, but again, if you look at the seta and the growing point, it comes from the growing point of the gametophyte. And here's another just picture showing you a very short tuft of the plant Bryum capillare. It grows very small, in fact. Thanks for watching.